njani? Those abantu on your screen, here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Bafethu, naniyazi angihambi ngedwa. Namhlanje ngihamba nezinja zami. Futhi.
Sanibonani bafethu ninjani ujuju lo JU nothing less nothing more kuphelele lapho.
Yeah. Futhi.
Shapa fethu kunjani kamera mingithini mfokaswela mswati lomnanzi Football Fusion sibuyile with another one.
Yeah. Bafethu, Happy New Year.
Yebo-ke.
Yeah. That's where we have to start. Happy New Year. We have got great news for you. It's a Happy New Year. It's a new year. I don't know how. It's a new me.
New year, new me.
Yeah, that's true. Buffett, got great news. Without further ado, let's get into it. Buffett. 500 subscribers. Yeah, I know, guys. To you, it sounds like a small thing, because we are used to having those big numbers. And obviously, as a viewer, you would see someone who's got like 1 million or whatever. But to us, it shows that whatever we're building is growing. Let me let the guys express how they feel.
I was
500 subscribers.
Yeah.
Good.
No, bafethu, I want to say thank you guys so much. Siyabonga cool for listening to us. Masithi like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your boyfriends, share with your exes, share with your boyfriends but Zimbabwe, but Nigeria, everywhere. So we appreciate your cooperation, guys. We know what we couldn't have reached these numbers without you, and we know for you are going to take us to 1,000 and then 100,000 by December. And September,
Now, on my side, my to say for your support. 500 subscribers to us, it means a lot. Never take it for granted to see about your support. When you say like, subscribe, tell a friend. Football Fusion is on YouTube. See about Buffett.
Yeah. Buffett, you know, when we say we've got great news, we've got other great news. We got a sponsor!
Hey.
This is very important. We've reached 500 subscribers without a sponsor. Imagine now.
Imagine that.
500 and beyond. With the sponsor on our side.
We're cooking.
I know.
Things are looking good by our side.
And thanks to you guys.
We cannot thank you enough.
Yeah,
man. Let the guys reflect on this one. Let's start with you, my guy.
But Faith, we are happy to announce that we have a sponsor which is called 22bet.
Yes.
So you can go to 22bet.com, Google website, or you can download the app of Faith. We have so much amazing news that I want to tell you what you can get a bonus of registration 100% for free too. All you have to do when you register is to just use the promo code. It's in
Fusion 22.
Yeah, there you have it for free too. Use the promo code. It's Fusion 22.
Yeah.
And then you will get a 100% bonus for free.
Yeah.
So 100 bonus buffet works like this. You register. Ufaga 100 rand, you get extra 100 rand. That's
Correct.
how it works. So just go to bet buffet to register. Fagmal, you know, and you'll get bonus. You get times 2 of what you are putting in.
Yeah. When we say 100%, we mean it.
Yes.
It goes up to 2,550.
Correct.
Yeah. After that,
let's make money, guys.
Yeah, man.
Exactly. Let's make money.
Yeah. And there are some other great deals that you will experience with this bookmaker. So for now, just let us enjoy with you. This great news.
Let us celebrate.
So
have fun.
So, Buffett, if you have any questions or you don't know where to start, down below in my comments, we have a link that you can use. Click on that link. And then don't forget promo code Fusion22.
Yeah. We'll see you on another one.